you look this now, today I am finding all these white gemstones and it's my river sides. And this look this one finding stones and this one gems white stone and this white stones, this white stones and this white stones and this white stone. Few white stone it is here now. This is my river side because this water level it is huge down, and this my side rivers and this working the stones available of this my river sides and me just dining with pain stones more 4 stones deep. Not just one by one I was introduced the stones. I was finding the stones and this all's white quality Scotch paste gemstones. This is not called this. This one more. This look. You look this. Wow, it's just so beautiful quality. And this threading big carrots on more stones. And this may not. But this there is wow. It is so beautiful stones. You look this. Right of this, set of this, set of this, set of oh, set of this. You feel guys. Even look at this. What type of this? You look. I just all white quality stones found over my videos. This many more one. This is one. All stones giving out just made out, and there's it was big stones, white gemstones, and this good quality stones is here. I like this stones. This all stones over.